Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids magazines is probably one of the most effective ways to cultivate a love for reading in children, offering a blend of entertainment and educational value that caters to different age groups and interests. Finding the perfect magazine involves considering your child's age, reading level, and individual preferences, ensuring that the content is both stimulating and appropriate, thereby maximizing their engagement and learning experience. Number 5. School Zone ABC. Learning the alphabet is now more fun than ever before. This workbook makes learning letters an exciting adventure for your little ones. It's as simple as connecting the dots. Watch as your child develops their fine motor skills while mastering the alphabet. It's packed with activities beyond dots. It includes letter puzzles and creative exercises to keep your child engaged. Designed for preschool and kindergarten children, it's the ideal tool to boost their pre-reading skills and prepare them for school. This workbook helps develop essential skills like letter recognition, fine motor control, and problem solving. Get it now and watch your child shine. It's part of the popular Get Ready series, ensuring high-quality educational content and fun activities for your child. What we like? It's an engaging way for preschoolers to learn the alphabet and improve their fine motor skills through dot-to-dot activities and creative exercises. If your child is starting to learn letters and loves creative activities, this is a great choice to make learning fun and interactive. It's perfect for keeping little ones busy and engaged while developing essential skills. What people say. I like the size of the numbers and alphabet. Spaced well. It helps so much with letter recognition and is fun at the same time. Very friendly to use. It has less letters at first. Then, it gradually has more letters to connect later in the book for different animals. Number 4. Food Network Kids Baking Book. Get ready for delicious adventures. This cookbook is filled with 110+ recipes perfect for young bakers. It has simple instructions and colorful photos, making baking a breeze. Even beginners will create amazing treats. From cookies and cakes to pies and more, it's packed with exciting recipes. Let's get creative in the kitchen. It's a great way to spend quality time with loved ones. These recipes are perfect for sharing and making memories. This book empowers young bakers to explore their creativity and have fun in the kitchen. It's time to get baking. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you'll be amazed at the delicious results. Get ready to impress everyone with your baking skills. What we like? This cookbook is filled with 110+ kid-friendly baking recipes, all with easy-to-follow instructions. If you're looking for a way to get your kids interested in baking, this is the perfect resource. It's ideal for children who enjoy creating delicious treats and spending time in the kitchen. They'll be whipping up tasty creations in no time. What people say. Every recipe is easy and delicious to make. Sure to keep the party going and the kids interested. Easy to follow recipes for kids to follow with adult supervision if need be. My 8-year-old niece is just beginning to learn baking with her mom, and this book has simple recipes for her to try. Number 3. 5,000 Awesome Facts. Get ready to be amazed. This incredible collection is bursting with 5,000 astonishing facts you won't believe. Did you know some animals can survive being frozen solid? Discover mind-blowing facts about the animal kingdom. From the wheel to the internet, it covers the history of human innovation. Prepare to be surprised by the ingenuity of humankind. Explore the wonders of science with facts about space, the human body, and the natural world. It's a journey of discovery. Journey through time and uncover fascinating historical events and figures. It's a captivating exploration of the past. Discover amazing geographical facts from around the globe. It's a fun and educational adventure. What we like? It's packed with 5,000 amazing facts about everything imaginable. If your child is curious about the world and loves learning new things, this is a must-have. It's perfect for sparking their imagination and expanding their knowledge base in a fun and accessible way. It's a great way to satisfy their thirst for knowledge and keep them entertained for hours. What people say. I bought this book as a Christmas gift for needy kids. Wow! It's big, sturdy, and beautifully designed. and packed with fun information. Us 8-year-old grandson loved this book. So many interesting topics, and he is able to read them on his own. Excellent pictures, great information about all different subjects. Number 2. Highlights Jumbo Hidden Pictures. It's time for a fun-filled adventure. This book is packed with exciting hidden pictures just waiting to be discovered. With more than 200 puzzles, it offers hours of entertainment. Get ready for a thrilling seek and find experience. The classic black and white illustrations are easy on the eyes and perfect for focusing on the challenge. It's a timeless activity that everyone will love. This isn't just fun, it helps develop important skills like observation, focus, and problem solving. It's a great way to improve concentration and visual skills. Whether you're a child or a child at heart, this book provides endless entertainment. It's the perfect activity for quiet time or family fun. Get ready for hours of engaging fun with this captivating book. It's a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? It features over 200 classic black and white hidden pictures. If your child enjoys a challenge and loves visual puzzles, this book is a perfect fit. It's a fun and engaging way to improve visual skills and concentration, providing hours of entertainment. It's ideal for those who love a good puzzle and enjoy the satisfaction of finding hidden objects. What people say. My son loves hidden picture books. He is 5 and this one has been a perfect level for him. The pictures are challenging, but he is still able to find the images on his own without much help. It has been great entertainment for longer car rides. My granddaughter spent hours at the restaurant finding the hidden pictures. We all had fun and no one asked for the tablet or the phone. It's also good for traveling. A great book for children when traveling or even at home, adults can join in too. So many pages with different pictures to do. Number 1. Food Network Kids Cookbook. It's here. The cookbook designed to get kids excited about cooking. With 150+ recipes, it's the perfect gift for young chefs. That's right, over 150 delicious and kid-friendly recipes. It's packed with fun and easy-to-follow instructions. Even the youngest cooks will be able to follow along. Each recipe is designed with simple steps and clear pictures. Cooking together is a great way to bond. This cookbook makes it easy and enjoyable for everyone. Looking for a gift that inspires creativity and healthy eating? This cookbook is the perfect choice. It's a gift they'll use again and again. From the trusted brand, Food Network magazine, this cookbook guarantees quality recipes and fun in the kitchen. What we like? This cookbook offers a wide variety of cuisines and 150+ recipes perfect for young chefs. If your child loves to cook and experiment with different flavors, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who want to learn new cooking skills and expand their culinary horizons. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and independence in the kitchen. What people say. The actual cookbook is colorful and sturdy. The recipes include desserts, snacks, and main courses. Bright colorful photos and easy-to-follow recipes using ordinary easy-to-find ingredients. Recipes are somewhat standard and likely found online, but easy to follow and with nice pictures to help them visualize what they are making. My 9 and 11 years olds were in the sweet spot for this book. They really enjoyed this book. And mom and dad are enjoying not having to cook as much. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.